Hi guys, I'm Deborah, Thomas Jewel from Deborah. I hope you are enjoying this shoe collab. It is great. I love selling shoes. I sell a ton of shoes on eBay. So, I got an America's Thrift Supply box. I've already cut the top because this box is, I don't know how many pounds? Probably about 15 pounds. So, I was hoping for sandals and I'm pretty sure they are boots. It is heavy. All right, so what I'm going to do is I will open the box, we'll go through, I'll show you each box, and then I will come back later and I will either do pictures and explanations or I will hold it up and shoot it. So I'm not sure. You know, we'll see how the day goes. All right. So, America's Thrift Supply. 10 pairs of shoes. I used the code Kristen for 15% off. So that brought my total to $48.23. So my cost of goods is $4.82. Math is hard. All right. Well, let's get started. All right. All right. They're all rubber band together. Winter boots. I knew it. This bag is so heavy. But these are really adorable. These are totes. Gray. I'm going to keep them together. They are a size 10, so that's a good size. The bottoms just need a little bit of a cleanup. They have that faux fur. Yeah, size 10. So those are cute. Nice, but I'll hold on to those for a little while. But, you know, people do buy shoes this time of year because eBay, and is, for me at least, is a worldwide seller. So I ship international. All right, my second pair of shoes are suede, size, boy, I might have to get my magnifying glass for this one. Size 5 medium, and it's ID required. These things look like they're brand spanking new. I don't know if anyone's ever worn them. It doesn't look like it. So I'm not familiar with this brand, so I will definitely look that up. All right. My box is all blacks and browns, it looks like. All right. So then we have a pair of, this reminds me of the, I think it was the 80s, maybe early 90s. I think it was 80s. These are a denim boot. They are a size, well, they're SQ or S something. It's going to be backwards, but I'll show you that. That I know it's a Kohl's brand. These are a size 7.5 medium. Yep, they're from Kohl's, and they're called TGIF Black Denim. So those are cute. Not sure how well Kohl's shoes resell. I have never listed Kohl's shoes. All right, but man, needs to be cleaned. Okay. Ooh, next up, we have a pair of Bandolino black leather shoes. These are cute. They're a 6 medium. Definitely been worn. You can see the wear there. A little bit of heel drag here, but you know what? That is like normal. The shoe itself looks really good. It just needs a good polish. And then they are really dusty. That is like all dust in there. So, and look, a butterfly. Oh, yay. But yeah, they're not bad. Not a great reseller, but they're still sellable. All right. All right, we got a pair of suede Uggs, you guys. Look at that. Suede Uggs. Nice. Let's make sure they're legit Uggs. So, they are, here is the tag. And what I do is I always look them up. It is a US 9, which is a UK 7. Black suede. The bottoms look great. I don't know if these were ever worn. There's some smuts right there, but I should be able to clean that off. Yeah, great. Ugg. Nice. Here's the other one. Yeah, it's just got a little marker there, and I can use tub of towels on that. Which reminds me, I need to order more tub of towels. All right. Then we've got a pair of, these feel like maybe leather. Deer Stags memory foam. Deer Stags. I know that name. For some reason I can't place it. I don't know if it's a JCPenney shoe, not sure. But Deer Stags These are really nice. They are men's. Okay, men's. They are, what size? Boy, these are men's 4.5 medium, and it's called the Roy shoe. I know that this brand is online as well. I know I've seen it in my travels, but I could have sworn there was a local store that carried these, but definitely needs a big cleanup. All right. Oh, yeah, boots. I love these. I don't know how anyone can wear these anymore. Oh, I love boots, but I just can't. These are Guess 7.5. So I'm going to go ahead and take that one out. So that is a heel for sure. They look in excellent condition. So G by Guess, size 7.5. Nice. These are in excellent condition. I don't think these were ever worn. I'd love to wear heels. I just can't. All right. Whoa. Big pair of boots. Wedge boots nonetheless. So I'm going to take this off. So let's put one down. It is Sbicca, S-B-I-C-C-A of California. Yes. This is called the Scarlet, and it's WC, and it's 8.5 medium. It says man-made materials. So it's got like a lining in there. Really cute. I don't know. Yeah, it definitely was worn. I can see heel wear there. But the boot looks like it's in good condition. So let's check the other one. Here we go. Yeah, it looks like it's in nice condition. It was from Ross. All right. 2 more pairs, I think. Yep. Oh, okay. I see a box in there. Boxes are good. These are men's, definitely. I love this. This is such a classic design. So these are John Candor. That is a good brand. I can't remember if they're out of Canada, where they're at. Maybe they're on the East Coast, but yeah, these are brand spanking new. Nice. They are a men's size 9.5. John Candor. Upper is 100% leather. Nice. These are great. I know I've heard that brand before. So this is what the label looks like. JC and a shield. Excellent. Wow. Great. Thanks, American Thrift. American Thrift Supply. All right. One more item, you guys. It's new in the box. Well, it's a box. I shouldn't say it's new in the box. I love this brand. They don't resell as much as they used to for their price, but Sperry's. Nice. So these are Sperry Topsider Get Wet. It's supposed to be a 10.5 brown wide. Alright, let's see here. Yeah, I love Sperry. They are a well-made company. It's funny because they're brand new with the tag, but if I saw these in the store, you would swear because of this. Let me turn off that light for a second. Nope, that made it worse. But right there, it looks like there's wear, but you can tell these have never been worn. So these are Sperry Topsiders. Nice. I love selling men's shoes. I don't get returns on shoes either. Only one pair of shoes that I really ever got a return on was a pair of vintage, oh boy, I can't remember the brand, but they were so narrow, but they were gorgeous shoes. So these are Sperry, new in the box, men's Topsiders. This is fantastic. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I will either take pictures or come back and do the rest of the video. But yeah, you guys, this is so excited. And I know after me is Jen from French Teacher in VA. So I will make sure that somewhere I do have the listing of everyone that's there, and all of the information should be right down below in my description area with clickable links to the video. So, all right, I will be right back. All right, so I decided I'll just video instead of doing pictures. All right, so the Sperry topsiders are A.O. Brown. They're a men's 10.5. It's number 0195115, new in box. They average selling for about $65. So if anyone's interested in this, I'll do them for $30. Yeah, $30. Okay, let me move these to the side. All right, the John Candor. These are really nice. These are super nice. So these are a men's brown taupe. They sell average about 125, or some places 160. On his website, they're $160. They are really nice. They're a size 9.5 men's. Did I say it? Yeah, 9.5. I want to make sure I wrote it down right. 9.5 men's. It is the John Candor brown and taupe. I can do these. We can do these for $70. Nice. All right, now we just got to sell them, right? All right, next was the Bicca. Sbicca, S-B-I-C-C-A. That is the brown wedge boot. It laces up. It's got like a faux lace here. And it's got zippers. The zippers do work. That's important. These are the Scarlet boot. And they sell for about $30. So if anyone's interested in the Sbicca, I'll do them for $10. All right, next up, black suede. All right, I'm trying to find the Uggs. I did a list, so. All right, so the Uggs are buried. Here they are. So many black shoes, you guys. I think this whole box was black or gray. So here are the Uggs. They are legit, and they are really nice. These ones are sell for about $130 online new, and this is number SN109-429. It's a size 9. They are a lace up, and I can go ahead and do the Uggs once I try to clean that up for about, I can do $30. All right, next up on my list were the Deer Stags. Okay, try to find the other one. Here we go. These are really nice shoes. They just definitely need to be cleaned up. So these have a memory foam. Nice. It's a size US 4.5. They sell for about $50, $51 online. Real nice. I can go ahead and do these for $15. All right, then we had the Yes, that's these. I already moved them. The Guess, gonna kill you kind of heel. No, just kidding. I love them. I wish I could wear heels, but really beautiful. So these are G by Guess. They are a size 7 medium, and they don't have a great resale value. They're averaging about $20 online. So if anyone's interested, I can do 10. And these are brand spanking new. All right, then we've got the denim, faux denim boot from Kohl's. Again, it is like a black gray. It's got a cute little design there. Definitely needs to be cleaned up on the bottom. A lot of the stuff on the bottom is fuzz from the other boots. So this one is a size 7.5. It's sold at Kohl's. I can do these for $5. Okay. And then we have those Totes boots, which are really nice. I wish they were my size. I wear an 11, so really nice. So these are the Corine, C-O-R-I-N-E. They sell for about $25 online. If anyone's interested, I can do them for, let's do them for 10. All right. Then we had the Bandolino, which need a cleaning. I will definitely get those cleaned up. They are nice. Butterfly, I can include it. Just kidding. So these are a 6 medium. They do sell newer for about $40. But for you guys, I'll do 10. All right. And then the last pair were the ID Required. And it's a size 5 medium. They're black suede lace up boots right there. And these are the Aster, A-S-T-E-R. They sell for about $25-ish online. We can go ahead and do these for $10. So for $48.23, I think it was, this is a great box. So my cost of goods again are $4.82. So the Uggs, the Sperry, the John Candor, way overpaid for this box, so, which is great. So I will definitely get my money back. All right, you guys. So after me, I've got it written down, is French Teacher in VA. I will make sure I'm dropping that link. And thank you so much for being here. We love doing collabs. It is so nice to get together with like-minded people, and we really appreciate you guys. So thanks so much for hanging out with us today, and don't forget, got to go over another one. All right, you guys, have a blessed one. See you later. If you if you wanted to purchase any of these items, email me at timelessjewelbydeborah@gmail.com, and I will get back to you. All right, bye.